Hi, this is Marta Valle with Realty One Group MVP. I'm going to present to you this beautiful home. Let's go and check it out. I'm having an open house, so please come and join me. This is 5073 Rimini Avenue, and it's a fairway, the floor plan, and it's actually in the older section of Maple Ridge. So it's very unusual to see one of the older floor plans here. In the back, you can see over there with like that little tower, that's the clubhouse. Very nice here, this street. And I'm having an open house. So let me walk you through the property. It's a 3-bedroom plus then 2.5 bath home with a 3-car garage. It's almost 2,600 square feet, so really big and awesome, 1 story. And it's on a lot that's 0.21 acres, so also very large, with a fenced-in backyard and a lake view. So actually, as you come in, you can see it's tiled throughout with wood plank tiles. In the master bedroom, the tiles are a little different, but all over here, it's all tiled throughout, and then mainly wood plank tiles. So as you come in, you have right away here a room with a fan. This is the first bedroom. You have a Jack and Jill bathroom over here, nice quartz countertops, beautiful finishes here, lots of light and beautiful light fixtures. You have the tub and the shower head over here, everything tiled to the ceiling. And then over here, the next bedroom that also has access to the Jack and Jill bathroom. It also has a fan over here. So here we are again at the entrance. Straight ahead is the laundry, which I'll be showing. Here is the living room, really, really large. And here to the side is the den. Here it's being used like a bedroom, so you can see it's actually also really large. There's a closet actually here behind. Full-size bed, a fan again here. Let me show it from here, so you can see how nice and large it is. Then over here is the half bathroom. Again, beautiful finishes, extra recessed lighting, which makes it really, really pretty. You have these like 2 sliding glass doors over here. To the left is the master bedroom. To the right is the dining room, very large. Check out the size of this dining room table. It's gigantic. And then over here is the kitchen. Beautiful white cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. Really nice. Very, very spacious everything here. You have the view, there's a trampoline here, but you see also here there is the lake. A fenced-in yard. You have lots of space for a pool if you would like to add one. You have a nice screened-in lanai. Really nice. And then here we're going to the master bedroom. It's very big. This is a king-size bed. There's lots of space here. Let me show it from here. Also here, a nice view. Really great. This one comes with 2 walk-in closets to the left and to the right. Here's the restroom separate. And then here you have a really large shower. Again, quartz countertops, special lighting and extra recessed lighting. And here you can even put some chandelier or something. And a tub, that's an upgrade as well. So really nice. Here you see like this is the area where there are different tiles, but everything else is wood plank tile and the whole house is tiled throughout. So let me show you first the garage, and then I'll get back to the backyard. really nice. So this is actually the laundry here. As you go towards the garage, here there's some added metal racks. So you have lots of space. It's a little full, the garage right now, but there is overhead storage, a 3-car garage, really nice and big. So let me show you. You have lots of space for cars, golf carts, bikes, whatever you would like to put into it. And then here is the screened-in lanai. With this really nice and soothing view of the lake. Here, it's really pretty. Very, very nice and large too. And we go to this one corner so I can show it better. This is a 0.21 acres, this lot, which is very large for Ave Maria. Usually so here's the view. Usually the lots are not as large. This one is really, really spacious. Lots of space also in between the houses, if you see here. Also over there. So if you have any questions about this house or any other, please give me a call at 239-232-5563. You see again, like this is really a lot of space. Wow. I'm holding an open house today from noon until 2 p.m. Today is Saturday, and then also tomorrow and Sunday from 1 to 4 p.m. So please come to 5073 Rimini Avenue or contact me with questions for this house or any others, resale or new construction, at 239-232-5563. Thank you so much. I look forward to welcoming you in Ave Maria. God bless you.